Let me ask you something. If your car broke down tomorrow or you had to go to the dentist, could you handle it with cash? Most people can't. They panic. They borrow money. They feel stuck. But today, we're changing that. My name is your name, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from $0 to a $1,000 emergency fund in just 30 days. Yes, 1 month. Let's go. Why $1,000? Because life happens. Your phone screen cracks, your dog needs a vet visit, your fridge stops working. Without $1,000 in the bank, these are disasters. With $1,000, they're just annoying. This isn't about being rich. This is about sleeping better at night. So here's the goal. 30 days, $1,000. No magic, just math and action. This is a sprint, not a marathon. For 30 days, you say no to everything extra. No takeout coffee, no new clothes, no streaming services you don't use. Every dollar you save goes into one place, your emergency fund. Open a separate savings account today. Name it Do Not Touch. And here's the secret. You don't need to earn more. You just need to keep more of what you already earn. Find $500 fast. Look around your home right now. What haven't you used in 6 months? That old gaming console, the bicycle you never ride, the winter coat you hate. Sell it. Use Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or a garage sale. I've seen people make $300 in one weekend doing this. It's not stuff, it's your freedom. Save $15 every single day. That's it. Skip the $5 latte, bring lunch to work, cancel one subscription. That's $15 right there. $15 a day for 30 days is $450. Add the $500 from selling stuff, you're already at $950. See? No side hustle needed, just small, daily choices. You can do this. Anyone can. The 30-day no-spend rule. For 1 month, you only spend on rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Nothing else. No Amazon, no eating out, no, but it was on sale. This is temporary. 30 days is nothing compared to years of financial stress. Every time you want to buy something, ask yourself, do I need this or do I want this? Only needs win. Here's what makes this fun. A visual tracker. Draw a big thermometer on paper. Color it in as you save. At $250, celebrate a little. At $500, you're halfway. At $750, you can feel it. When you hit $1,000, do a happy dance. This isn't childish, it's psychology. Seeing progress keeps you going. Tape that thermometer on your fridge. Look at it every morning. What if you mess up? What if you buy something you shouldn't? It's okay. Don't quit. One bad day doesn't ruin the month. Just save an extra $5 tomorrow or sell one more thing. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Most people never even try. You're already ahead just by watching this video. So keep going. You've got this. Day 30. Look at you. $1,000. Cash. Ready. This money is not for pizza. It's not for a weekend trip. It's for emergencies only. Car repairs, medical bills, sudden job loss. Now you have a shield. Now life can surprise you, but it can't destroy you. So here's your mission starting today. Sell one thing, save $15 today, draw that thermometer, and come back in 30 days to tell me you made it. Hit subscribe, share this with a friend who needs it, and I'll see you in the next video. You're unstoppable. Join the conversation below. Subscribe for more insights to help accelerate your financial growth.